各位觀眾大家好，歡迎收睇 OMNI 都會聚焦，我係蘇嘉欣。一股強烈嘅風暴今朝早起吹襲卑詩省南部沿岸地區以及溫哥華島，強勁嘅風勢導致大量嘅樹木倒冧、電纜受損。喺高峰時段，一共有22萬戶失去電力供應。強風再加上暴雨，亦都引發咗多宗嘅交通意外。
環境部今日凌晨對大溫及低陸平原地區發出特別天氣聲明，表示一個強大暴風系統為該區帶嚟豪雨。今朝早，環境部再向大溫地區及維多利亞發出強風警告，表示風速高達每小時90至100公里嘅西北風正吹襲呢啲地區，其後會移入內陸。喺三角洲有大樹被強風吹倒後擊中汽車並撞斷電纜，現場需要封路清理。據環境部預測，天氣會喺聽日好轉，但呢個星期五再度轉差。氣象專家話喺目前嘅風暴季節高峰期，突發情況隨時會出現，呼籲民眾做好應急準備。
With the rain earlier today and over the past several weeks, the ground is very saturated, and so that's creating an environment where there's just a little bit of vulnerability in the root structure of those trees. So it may affect you very directly, on your vehicle, on yourself, and your home. A good reminder that at this time of year, with the storm season really in full force, to have an emergency kit both in your home and in your vehicle so that you can take on the challenges that Mother Nature brings to us on our infrastructure over the coming months.
喺強勁風勢下，本省西岸地區有大量電纜受到破壞，一度導致20幾萬戶停電。BC 水電局話已經派出所有當值工作人員及外判商盡快修理，預計今晚會通宵工作，直到所有用戶恢復電力供應。
Our latest update, which is as of about 2:30 this afternoon, shows that about 225,000 customers on the island and the lower mainland have been impacted at some point with this weather system. We've managed to bring on about 76,000 customers so far, but there is still a lot more work to do, and obviously our crews will work through the night to make sure everyone is brought up and running as quickly and as safely as possible. But people should be prepared that there will be some customers who will not be getting their electricity service tonight.
佢話：今朝有民眾放喺露台嘅物件被強風吹到地面，擊中一個電力分站，引致白石近14000戶停電。因此提醒民眾喺惡劣天氣下應該綁好放喺露台或者天台嘅物件，以免物件飛脱，導致電力系統損毀。
天雨路滑，低陸平原多個城鎮今朝早都有發生涉及行人嘅交通意外，導致最少3個人受傷。其中喺列治文 Stephen 公路甲2號路，今朝早至繁忙時間起就實施封路措施。警方話，一名行人被車撞倒，現場所見一輛泥頭車喺封鎖線內，商用車輛安全執法部門亦都喺現場，而低陸平原綜合車禍調查組亦都有派員到場分析證據同埋重組事發經過，顯示車禍涉及嚴重受傷。警方封閉事發嘅2號路北行線調查，所有嘅交通都要改道而行。至於喺蘭里，有途人被一架商用車輛撞倒，送院之後情況危殆。蘭里皇家騎警今朝早6點半左右接報，指一名途人喺蘭里264街甲菲沙高速公路附近過馬路嘅時候被車撞倒，傷勢嚴重，送到當地嘅醫院治理，情況危殆。現場一段菲沙公路西行線一度封閉，因為意外涉及商用車輛。卑詩省商用車輛安全執法部門亦都有派員去到現場調查。警方提醒行人同埋單車使用者要穿着反光衣物，以便駕駛人士識別。喺三角洲，今朝早亦都發生涉及行人嘅交通事故。一名行人喺84 Avenue 同埋116街被車撞倒。三角洲警方表示，事故發生喺今朝早6點半，環境因素係主要原因，因為當時天色較暗，而且落雨又有強風，令到能見度偏低。事故發生之後，司機留喺現場配合調查，至於行人就被送往醫院救治。